guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Raf. So next to me we have a stunning Rolls-Royce Phantom drophead, beautiful car. This car belongs to a local limo firm, so they give this car out for, weddings and VIP, chauffeur drive, etc. Beautiful car, as you can see, it looks absolutely beautiful. The only problem is the actual infotainment system was getting a little bit dated by today's standards. So this car runs like an early BMW system. And back when this car was new, it was probably fine. But what he said, the owner was telling me, was that a lot of people, when they hire the car, the first thing they do when they get in the car, they want to link their phone up to Apple CarPlay, listen to Spotify or Apple Music, or Deezer or whatever it might be. On top of that, sometimes they're going long distances and the driver wants to use Google Maps or Waze, and unfortunately you can't do that. The factory sat nav is very, very dated now, so they've got to use a phone on a display, and it doesn't look quite nice in a car like this. So we decided to update this for them, and what we've actually done is we've updated this system with wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. This is, I don't know, it's an early model, so 2009, 2010, I'm not sure, something like that. So what we've done is we've added Apple CarPlay. It's also got Android Auto wireless to the factory OEM iDrive system. So if you get into this car, everything works exactly as it would do in any modern car. So, you can have Apple CarPlay just like you would in your new car now. Access all your Google Maps, Spotify, whatever apps are possible, WhatsApp messaging, even Bluetooth phone calls are all linked through to it. So we'll quickly show you what we've done inside in a second. Oh, and also when this car came, so we don't just do audio and security. When this car came, the owner actually explained to us when we had the car in that a lot of the speakers weren't working, and he was right. We investigated, and literally we only had, I think, 2 working speakers in the car. So we had the left door was working and the rear right speaker was working. Front right wasn't working, rear left wasn't working, none of the subwoofers were working, and also on the parcel shelf area there's some speakers there as well, none of them were working as well. So we work alongside a company where we're able to send parts away. So on this, the way it works is the actual head unit runs some of the speakers, and then there's an amplifier under the rear seats which runs the subwoofers and the rear shelf speakers. So we've sent all that off, had it all repaired, it's all been done. We've also had it all updated as well, so there's a bit more power going to all the speakers. Put it all back in, so now all of his speakers work exactly as they should do. Car sounds really nice for what it is, and obviously it's got the Apple CarPlay, so let's go inside and show you. So guys, we're inside the car now, and as you can see, here's Apple CarPlay, so it's loaded on this factory screen. I can control it all from the factory iDrive system. Everything works flawlessly, just as you'd expect, as it does in any modern car. It works exactly as Apple CarPlay or Android Auto does in any modern car. So it works really well. Nice kit this is. Again, like I said, it's wireless as well. We've also put another mic on there, so you can use Bluetooth through the Apple CarPlay as opposed to the outdated Rolls-Royce system. So it's got Bluetooth for mobile phone calls as well. And another nice thing with this system is, let's say the owner wants to switch between the Apple CarPlay and go back to the original vehicle's infotainment system. On the steering wheel, you've got a nav button. If I just keep that pressed for a couple of seconds, it'll switch between the actual Apple CarPlay and, as you can see, the outdated Rolls-Royce system. And once again, and also for the audio, up here you've got AUX. As long as AUX is selected, then wherever you're using through the CarPlay will play through the car speakers. So again, if I keep the nav button pressed, couple of seconds, it'll switch back to the Apple CarPlay system. So guys, this is an absolutely brilliant system. It modernizes the car. So if you've got a Rolls-Royce, or pretty much any car really, we can retrofit CarPlay in most cars, but on this car it works really, really well. And obviously it has brought modern to an older vehicle now, which is getting on older vehicle. So if anybody's got a Rolls-Royce and you want CarPlay added to it properly, all done, nice and neatly, drop us a shout. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.